This is the reverse light wire and earth on a Ford Fiesta. I think this is a Mk7. This is the Mk7 anyway. I'll put the thumbnail for the right car. I'm just gonna solder up this now. I'll tell you right now, it's freezing, guys. It's absolutely freezing. I think it's about 1 degree Celsius. This soldering iron here that I've got is a godsend, because unlike the gas ones, it won't let me down. I can't solder and hold this at the same time, so I'll just do this and show you after. And that's it. Bit ugly. It's fucking cold. But I'm gonna tape that up. That's gonna be nice and solid.